Good morning, student. Hope you all of you fit and healthy at your home. Yes, na? Very good, beta. And this is your SST class. So, everyone, ready for your SST class with your SST book and SST copy. I hope all of you completed now this chapter. You are reading 2 times because this chapter is very important for you and for your exam. Okay, so beta, first we will complete now the book exercise from this chapter. After that, copy work. So beta, first open your book, page number 160. This is your SST class. What is the date? Your date is 8 February 2021. Which chapter? Chapter name, anyone tell me? 25. Our goals. Our goals. Rights. And duties. This is your chapter. Page number 160. Oh, hope you all of you. I hope all of you done now the book exercise also, because this is your homework. But I am discuss with you this exercise. Come to the first exercise. Question number B. Write true, false. Write T for true, F for false. True, false. First, answer the following question. A. This is the question answer. After that, we will complete now. First, question number B. Write T for true, F for false. First question is, democracy is form of government elected by the people. What is the meaning of democracy? Tell me, anyone. The democracy means the government which is choose by the people for the people. Okay, beta? So that's why this sentence is true. The democracy is the form of government elected by the people. This sentence is true. T for true. Then second one is, the minimum age of voting is 21. No, it's a wrong. The minimum age of voting is 18 years. So this sentence is false. Third one is, next is third, people in India do not have the right to preserve their culture and educational institution. This sentence is a false. In our country, all persons have to right to choose their own religion. Okay, beta? And in our schools and our college run by different religious group. So there is no discrimination on the basis of religion in any field. This is our right. Okay, according to Article 29. Okay, then move to the next. Fourth is, there are 10 fundamental rights mentioned in our constitution. It's a false. Only 10 fundamental rights. The first is right to equality. Second, right to freedom of expression. Third, right to against exploitation. Next, right to religion. Next, cultural and educational right. And number 6 is right to constitutional remedies. These 6 fundamental rights are written in our constitution. Then move to the next sentence. Number 5 is, constitution means right to vote. Only right to vote. No, the constitution is a set of rules. Constitution is a set of rules according to any government. According to government is governed. It is a set of rule. Okay, it means this sentence is also false. This is a false. Constitution means right to vote, only not a vote. Okay, beta. Then move to the next part. This is the question number C. Question number C. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First is, all the people living in India will have dash rights. How many rights? 6 fundamental rights. All of you write now. 6 fundamental rights. Next is, second is, people above dash years of age can vote. What is the age? 18 years. Okay. Third is, the constitution laid down dash important national goals. How many goals? 3. Tell me the name. First is democracy, second is socialism, and third is secularism. What is the meaning of democracy? Democracy, it means the government is chosen by the people for the people. Socialism, it means all people are equal. Secularism, it means according to our constitution, all Indians have to right to choose their religion to their own choice. Understand? I hope all things are clear now. Only 3 fill in the blanks in this chapter. This book exercise is completed now. So beta, all of you complete now this new terms in your copy and learn it. First is democracy, second is socialism, and third is secularism. So everyone, write now these new terms in your copy and learn it, all of you, properly. I hope beta all things are clear now from this chapter. So beta, all of you read this new chapter. This is chapter number 26, our government. According to your annual syllabus, this is the last chapter. Okay beta. So everyone read this chapter properly 2 times. In next class, we will discuss this chapter. Sorry beta, this chapter is not in your syllabus. This last chapter is this one. This is chapter 20. This chapter is, according to your syllabus, this chapter is in your syllabus. Our national symbols. 26 is not in your syllabus. Okay beta, so there is no confusion. All of you read this chapter 27, our national symbols, for 2 times. In next class, we will discuss this chapter. Okay beta, so till then, have a nice day.